out this pre-owned 1985 Cadillac Seville. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.1-liter V8 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, front air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, and cruise control.